corruption, drugs, and criminality. Economic progress elevate to the economic minds. And so my advice also to the businessmen, when you invite me, I've stated my qualifications. It's a meager one. I don't flaunt it. So when you go and ask me to talk to you, and if I'm your guest, and I begin to talk about law and order and corruption, that is my territory, Now when there is a failure to expound more about economics, God, my only economics was during the college days. I went back to Davao and retrieved I got 78. So what do you expect of me? Can I become an economic tycoon? But can I become a good prosecutor? I am. I've learned the art of everything in the courtroom. Can I become a president? Certainly. What will I do? I'm warning. I will be harsh. I will go to the extreme. Yung nagkakaso kayo na may mga kidnapping, I will review you and I will like to talk to you in Malacanang. Dalawa lang tayo. Utang ina, sabihin mo sa akin kung anong gusto mo. Do not bullshit with me. But do your duty. I will die for you. Do your duty. And if in the process you kill 1,000 persons because you were doing your duty, and I will protect you. And if they will try to impeach me, I will hurry up the process and we go out of the service together. Thank you and good morning.
Yes.